In today's video, we're going over all the different central heating jargon that we use on different videos and across the website, which may leave you confused. We've all been there, we've all had to learn the stuff, so let's get down to business and go through each word. First up is the word boiler. Whilst it comes across rather simple, there are 3 different kinds and we sell all 3 on iHeat's website. Quite simply, the boiler is your heat source powering the central heating inside your home. This is usually a big white box in your kitchen, but for a more detailed explanation of the different types of boilers, there's a video up there. Cylinder. This refers to the hot water cylinder, which is obviously the storage unit for all your hot water inside your property. If you've got a combi boiler, you won't have one of these, but you'll normally find one in an airing cupboard. You guessed it, this comes in a cylindrical shape and usually in the same area as your pump and other components. Tank. This is for open vent systems where your cold water is stored, usually found in an attic. This is what fills your hot water cylinder and your heating system. Smart thermostat. This is a Wi-Fi enabled thermostat which can often be controlled from your phone. This uses smart technology which can also learn how you use your heating, can adjust itself to how you use your heating, and also the weather outside, known as weather compensation. You will need Wi-Fi for this to work. Next up is FLOWRATE. We talk about this on all our boiler reviews and we just want to clear up what it actually means. You'll only see this with combi boilers and it is basically how many litres per minute of hot water can your boiler deliver 35 degrees above what it comes in at in the cold main. So if it comes in at 4 degrees, it'll heat it up to 39 and it is how much of that it can deliver in a minute in litres. Kilowatts or KW. You'll see this all over the website saying you need a 30 kilowatt, a 35 kilowatt. We price up a house based on a radiator being 1.5 to 2 kilowatts. So if you imagine how many radiators you've got in your home, you'll get roughly the number we're after. There's also many other factors such as flow rates and water delivery. A kilowatt is 1000 watts, which is a universal standard for measuring energy. The higher the kilowatts of your boiler, the more powerful and the more energy it will use. TRV or thermostatic radiator valve. You'll find these on your radiators. This is used to thermostatically control individual radiators. It does this by taking a temperature reading in the room and adjusting the flow accordingly. Gas safe. This is the governing body for all gasworks in the UK. Anybody installing or working on any gas appliance in the UK must be registered on Gas Safe. This includes every engineer working under iHeat. FLUE. This is your boiler's exhaust pipe. Waste gases produced during combustion inside your boiler are released and expelled through the flue. These can contain carbon monoxide, which is why it's so important that FLUE are sealed, installed, and tested correctly. These also can't be too close to any windows or doors or any other kind of structure. Finally, we have got a heat exchanger. This is the chamber in which gases are burnt inside your boiler. This is to produce heat and transfer it to your central heating water. Usually comprising of a burner, waterways and fins, transfer heat efficiently and effectively. Due to the continued presence of water, metal and an open flame, heat exchangers must be extremely resilient whilst maintaining high efficiency. That has been our top 10 jargon words for central heating. If you have any words that you hear us say on the site or on the YouTube channel, just get in touch with us for our customer service team. They'll happily tell you everything about it and what it means. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This has been iHeat.